Hi students, welcome to this video lecturer. In this video lecturer, we are going to see the solutions of questions from section 3 of the model question paper of the course Engineering Mathematics with code 20SC01T of new syllabus, that is C20 syllabus. Section 3 has two questions 5 and 6. They are from unit 3, that is trigonometry. Questions ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, trigonometry ಇಂದ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡು questions ಇವೆ 5 ಮತ್ತು 6. 5 question is again divided into 4 sub questions, same for 6 one. Questions are 4 marks, 5 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks. Now first we are going to solve one by one, that is 5a question. Question 5a is express 75 degree in radian measure and 3 pi by 2 in degree measure. Solution: 75 degree is equal to 75 degree is equal to convert degree to radian you have to multiply by pi by 180, pi by 180. Now cancel 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15, 5 6 ja 30. Next 3 5 ja 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. What it is equal to? 5 pi by 12. What it implies as 75 degree is equal to 5 pi by 12 radian. For radian we are going to use symbol C, that is circular measure. It is first part answer. Second part, to convert radian to degree, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 is equal to 3 pi by 2 to convert radian to degree multiply by 180 by pi, 180 by pi, pi pi cancel, 2 1 ja 2 9 0, 90, 90 into 3 270 degree, 270, that is 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 equal to 270 degree. It is the required answer. First degree to radian, next radian to degree. Next 5b. 5b. Prove that cos a plus b into cos a minus b equal to cos square a minus sin square b. Solution. Now consider LHS. Start with LHS. What is our LHS? Is cos a plus b, cos a plus b into cos a minus b, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Now substitute value of cos a plus b, cos a minus b by standard formula. Cos a plus b formula is cos a cos b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Standard formula, the compound angle formula. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a minus b, that is cos a cos b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, sin a sin b. Now there is a product of two terms, same terms are there, minus plus. Now ಯಾವ formula use ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? We are going to use the formula a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? Is a square minus b square, a square minus b square. This first term is complete a, it is b. Now according to the formula, what it is? Equal to a square minus b square. A square means that is cos a cos b whole square minus b square, that is sin a sin b, sin a sin b whole square. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಬಹುದು a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that is equal to cos square a cos square b minus sin square a sin square b. sin square b. Now you can observe that on RHS angle A ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ cos ಇದೆ, angle B ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ sin ಇದೆ. Means angle A you have to keep cos. Here sin ಇದೆ, you have to convert sin to cos. Angle B sin you have to keep. Here cos convert to sin. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ you have to use the formula. This formula you have to use sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin square theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, if you want to write it becomes 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ cos square theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus sin square theta. Now to convert sin to cos, cos to sin, now LHS becomes, I am going to write LHS, that LHS equal to what is the first term, cos square A, that we need keep as it is, cos square A, because A in terms of cos. Next cos square B, you have to convert it into sin square. Cos square B ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಲಿ, cos square B equal to 1 minus sin square B. It becomes 1 minus sin square B, 1 minus sin square B minus sin square A, you have to convert. Sin square A ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus cos square A according to the formula. Sin square B as it is, sin square B as it is. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, by observing right hand side convert angle B ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ sin ratio, angle A ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ cos ratio. Now simplify. Depending upon the RHS, cos square A into 1, cos square A, now minus cos square A into sin square B, cos square A into sin square B. Next minus 1 into sin square B minus sin square B, minus into minus plus cos square A sin square B, sin square B. Now you can observe that this is minus sin cos square A sin square B plus cos square A sin square B. Negative term positive term get cancels. Now what is remaining is equal to cos square A minus sin square B, minus sin square B. Now you can observe that what is that required RHS is cos square A minus sin square B. Therefore it is equal to required RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, that is the required answer. Next question number 3. Show that 5C, question number 5C, show that cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Solution. Now we are going to solve this by using the formula cos A plus B formula, cos A plus B. What is that cos A plus B formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು cos 2 theta equal to consider cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta is written as theta plus theta. 2 theta can be written as theta plus theta. A ಅಂದರೆ theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, B ಅಂದರೆ ಕೂಡ theta. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ cos theta into cos theta, A means theta, B ಅಂದರೂ thetaನೇ ಇದೆ, sin theta into sin theta. What you are going to write here, cos square theta minus cos into cos, cos square, sin square theta. But RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ only cos square ಇದೆ, you have to convert sin into cos by using the formula, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to ಏನಿದೆ 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin square theta ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cos square theta minus sin square theta ಅಂದರೆ 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, that is equal to cos square theta minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square theta plus cos square theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta plus cos square theta 2 cos square theta minus 1, which is the required answer. Cos 2 theta equal to ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. cos 2 theta equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos 2 theta can be written as theta plus theta. cos theta minus sin theta cos theta into cos theta cos square theta minus sin theta into sin theta sin square theta. Cos square theta as it is minus convert sin square theta into cos square, that is sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta as it is minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square theta plus cos square theta 2 cos square theta minus 1, it is 5c. Next 5d. 5d question is find the value of sin 120 degree, cos 330 degree, sin 240, cos 390. First you have to find out individual values by using allied angle formula. Consider first sin 120. Solution one by one. First I am going to find out sin 120. To solve any allied angle formula, you have to use 4 steps method. The 4 step. First write in allied angle form. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು 1ನೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು. 2ನೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಸೈನ್. ದೆನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. These are the 4 steps without remembering any formula. Now convert. First step is allied angle. Here sin 120 is written as either you can use 90 or 180, but make habit of using always plus, very easy to remember. Plus means it becomes 90 plus 30. allied angle formula ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಮೊದಲು 90 plus 30. 90 plus ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಎರಡನೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮುಗೀತು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. 90 270 ಬಂದಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 180 360 ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ 30 degree. ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ 120 degree ಈಸ್ equal to what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This is the first value. Now first value. Next second value is second is cos 330 degree. This cos 330 is written as 270 plus 60. What is 270 plus is fourth quadrant. Cos is positive. Cos 270 changes. Cos changes to sin 60 degree. Therefore what is cos 330 degree is equal to sin 60 means root 3 by 2. Next third value is sin 240. What is sin 240 is written as sin 180 plus 60. What is 180 plus is third quadrant sign is minus. Now sin remains sin. What is angle is 60 degree. That is equal to sin 240 minus root 3 by 2. Because sin 60 is minus that root 3 by 2. Fourth value. What is fourth value is cos 390 degree. 390 degree. 390 is written as 360 degree plus remaining is 30 degree. 360 plus first quadrant cos is positive, 360 same, that is cos angle is 30 degree here. Now cos 390 degree equal to, what is cos 30 is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. You know, you got all 4 values, substitute. Consider what you have to consider, that is first one sin 120 cos 330 minus sin 240 cos 390 degree is equal to, substitute the values. First value is root 3 by 2, second value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3 by 4, minus into minus, plus 3 by 4, 3 by 4. What is LCM is 4, LCM is 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3s are 2s are 3 by 2, that is sin 120 degree cos 330 degree minus sin 240 degree cos 390 degree is equal to 3 by 2. That is the required answer. Next, 6a question. Find the value of sin 15 degree. Solution. Sin 15 degree can be written as sin 45 degree minus 30 degree. To convert to standard known angle, or you can write 60 minus 45 also. Here you have to use formula sin a minus b, that is in the form of sin a minus b. Using the formula, which formula you have to use? Sin a minus b. What is sin a minus b formula is? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, cos a sin b. Using this formula, what the answer is? Sin 15 degree is equal to, sin 15 degree equal to, a is 45, b is 30, sin 45 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree sin 30 degree, ಈಗ substitute the values. What is sin 45 value is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, standard values, minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. What is sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now simplify, it is root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. LCM is what? 2 root 2. Sin 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. LCM is 2 root 2, root 3 minus 1. This is the required answer, sin 15 degree. What is sin 15 degree is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This is question number 6a. Next, 6b, that is related to allied angle. Simplify. Now consider solution. Consider that given expression. Consider cos 360 degree minus a into tan 360 degree plus a divided by divided by cot 270 degree minus a sin 90 degree plus a 90 degree plus a is equal to simplify one by one ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 360 minus means fourth quadrant cos is positive. 360 ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ cos, angle is a, cos a first term value. Next 360 plus first quadrant all are positive, therefore tan is also positive. 360 same ratio, that is tan, angle is a, tan a. 270 minus andre, that is third quadrant. 270 minus is third quadrant cot is positive. 270 andre changes, cot changes to tan a, angle is a. Next 90 plus is what? That is second quadrant sign is positive, sign changes 90 ಅಂದರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sign changes to cos a. ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ 360 minus fourth quadrant cos is positive, 360 ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, cos remains cos, angle is a. 360 plus first quadrant tan is positive, tan remains same, 360 ಇದೆ, tan angle is a. Now one thing you have to remember, 90 ಅಂದರೆ 90 to 70 ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 180 360ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 270 minus third quadrant cot is positive, 270 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, cot changes to tan, that is a. 90 plus second quadrant sign is positive, 90 ಇದೆ, sign changes to cos a. Now here cos a cancels, tan a cancel, that is 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now 1 by 1, what is 1 by 1 is? Answer is 1, therefore this is the required answer is 1. 6b. Next 6c, prove that sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Due to typographical error in question paper it is appeared as sin 3 theta, it should be 3 sin theta. Now solution, start the solution. Sin 3 theta left hand side you have to take, is equal to, it can be written as 3 theta can be written as 2 theta plus theta. Now it is in the form of sin a plus b, you have to use the formula sin a plus b. Using what is that sin a plus b formula is, sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. By using this formula you can write sin 3 theta equal to ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತಬಹುದು, sin a ಅಂದರೆ sin 2 theta, a is 2 theta, cos b cos theta plus cos a cos 2 theta, cos sin b sin theta, cos b is sin theta. Now I am going to use sin 2 theta formula. What is sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta into cos theta as it is, plus cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta ಗೆ there are 3 formula. ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, sin ಇದ್ದದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, this is the cos 2 theta formula, into sin theta. Now simplify, is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta into cos theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 sin theta cos square theta. Now plus 1 into sin theta minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. Now in right hand side you want only sin, but here one term is cos. You have to convert cos into sin by using the formula, that is you have to use this formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 ಅಂದರೆ cos square theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus sin square theta 1 minus sin square theta that is equal to 2. I am going to write in next sheet, that is sin 3 theta is equal to, what is the first term, 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta, cos square theta is written as 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. Next plus sin theta as it is, minus 2 sin cube theta as it is, minus 2 sin cube theta. Now simplify, 2 sin theta into 1, 2 sin theta, minus 2 sin theta into sin square theta is 2 sin cube theta, 2 sin cube theta, plus sin theta as it is, minus 2 sin cube theta, minus 2 sin cube theta. That sin 3 theta is equal to 2 sin theta plus sin theta is 3 sin theta, 3 sin theta, minus 2 sin cube theta, 2 sin cube theta is 4 sin cube theta, 4 sin cube theta. It is the required answer. Required answer. You can check right hand side, that is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ sin 3 theta na 2 theta plus theta ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, using sin a plus b it becomes sin 2 theta cos theta plus cos 2 theta sin theta. Here we used sin 2 theta formula, cos 2 theta formula, just multiplication. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, to convert cos square theta into sin square theta you have to use formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, then simplification. Next 6d, this is the last question, that you have to prove that, this is the last question in section 3, that is prove that sin 20 degrees, sin 40 degrees, sin 80 degree equal to root 3 by 8. Now consider solution. Consider LHS. Consider LHS is equal to, you have to start with the left hand side, LHS equal to sin 20 degree, sin 40 degree, sin 80 degree, sin 80 degree. Here I am going to write sin combination of sin 80 degree and sin 20 degree. Any two terms you have to take, one term keep as it is, sin 40 degree. Any one term you have to keep as it is, you will get the answer. Now sin A, sin B formula you have to use, transformation formula, using sin A, sin B formula, sin A, sin B formula. What is sin A, sin B is minus 1 by 2 cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. It is the formula that is convert to product to sum. By using this formula, this LHS is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 are 80, 20, that becomes cos 100 minus 80 minus 20, 80 minus 20 is 60 into sin 40. Here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು sin 40 ಅನ್ನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3 take any two terms in one term, then apply sin A, sin B. Now simplify, that LHS is equal to what is LHS, minus 1 by 2 cos 100 as it is, cos 100 minus, we know the value of cos 60 degree, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 into what is the remaining is sin 40 degree, sine 40 degree is equal to, simplify, minus 1 by 2 cos 100 degree, cos 100 minus into minus plus 1 by 4 sine, cos 100 ಇಂಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin 40 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cos 100 ಇಂಟು sin 40 minus into minus plus 1 by 4 sin 40, 1 by 4 sin 40. Now for this you have to apply cos A sin B formula, you have to apply cos A sin B formula, you have to use here cos A sin B formula. What is cos A sin B formula is 1 by 2 sin A plus B, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, sin A minus B, that LHS is equal to minus 1 by 2 as it is into cos A cos B formula 1 by 2, A is 100, B is 40, that becomes sin A plus B means 100 plus 40, 140 minus 100 minus 40, 60, sin 60 degree, sin 60 degree plus 1 by 4 sin 40 degree, sin 40 degree as it is equal to minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 sin 140, sin 140 minus 1 by 2 1 by 4 minus into minus plus 1 by 4 sin 60 degree, sin 60 degree plus 1 by 4 sin 40 degree, sin 40 degree. Now sin 60 value ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು sin 140 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 140 is written as 180 minus 40, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 40 ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. LHS is equal to ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ minus 1 by 4, sin 140 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ sin 180 minus 40, 140 is written as 180 minus 40 plus 1 by 4 sin 60 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, what is sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 plus last term as it is 1 by 4 sin 140, sin 40 degree. Now is equal to minus 1 by 4 by using allied angle 180 minus second quadrant sin is positive, 180 ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that is sin, it is 40 degree plus 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2, root 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4 sin 40 degree, sin 40 degree, sin 40 degree. This is minus 1 by 4 sin 40 plus 1 by 4 sin 40 cancels. Now what is equal to root 3 by 8, that is LHS equal to RHS, LHS equal to RHS, that is the required answer. These are the questions from section 3. Now to see the solutions of section 4, watch that video part 4. Thank you.